PowerShell CheckBox widget. Add and handle CheckedChanged. Today we'll learn how to add a checkbox to a PowerShell GUI and handle its checked, unchecked events. Clicking the box will print checked or unchecked to the console. Let's build it step by step. Load libraries and create the form. Start by loading libraries for PowerShell and creating the main form, that's the window that holds controls. Set the window title to something descriptive, here checkbox example. Now create a checkbox widget and set its location to 20 by 20 and set its size to 260 by 20 and give it a label. I use checkbox A. Adjust these values to fit your layout. Hook the CheckedChanged event. Inside the handler we test, if true, right host checked, otherwise right host unchecked. Replace right host with any action you want, enable disable controls, toggle settings, etc. Add the checkbox to the form's controls and call show dialog to display the window. Run and test and toggle the checkbox. You should see the corresponding messages in the console. If you want visual feedback in the UI, update other controls instead of right host. For multiple checkboxes, use distinct variables or access sender inside the handler to determine which was toggled. That's all. A simple checkbox with event handling in PowerShell. Try wiring it to settings or UI state. Thanks for watching.